I mean, how did the Republicans get 3 people on the court and the Democrats could only get 1? How is this happening? So they're either
I
stupid
can
or
break every one
complicit.
of those down if we want.
But please take the stage.
Okay, so first and foremost, Mitch McConnell, they got 3 judges in because they controlled the Senate. The Senate's the only ones that vote on this shit. They controlled the Senate under Trump, and RBG died right before the election, and Mitch McConnell forced that through like a week before the 2020 election. Okay, Obama was supposed to get a judge before, like almost a year before his term, before he was out of office. But because Mitch McConnell had control of the Senate, he blocked that shit for a year. So he stole one of Obama's nominees. And that ended up being one of Trump's. And then one person actually died under Trump before Ruth Bader Ginsburg. And now everybody's like, oh, well, Ruth Bader Ginsburg should have retired while when the Democrats still had power in the Senate, so that she could have been replaced. But I don't like blaming a dead woman for that, because she doesn't know when she's going to die. And then also, that's just one. The court is 6-3. So if you if you get your wish list and reverse time and do that with Ruth Bader Ginsburg, there's still 2 other justices that they got. That was Kavanaugh and that was Gorsuch. And that brings us to the other piece, which is all of these motherfuckers said in their Senate hearings, especially guys like Kavanaugh, they said that they considered Roe v. Wade to be settled law.
Yes, they did. And that's what Susan Collins, the representative from Maine, said that most surprised her, because she said in support of Kavanaugh and Comey's nomination that the reason she felt comfortable supporting them was that she genuinely felt that they were not going to interfere with precedent set by Roe versus Wade. And now she's clutching her Bulgari because she can't believe that they may have lied. I am not the least bit surprised. To me, even in their answers about it, I believed that they would vote against Roe versus Wade. I'm not really sure why anybody's surprised by that.
They tried to sell themselves as like, oh, we're country club Republicans. We're East Coast. We're upper crust. Like,
yeah, but
we just want our
Comey
little taxes.
didn't.
We don't actually care.
Yeah, but Comey didn't. Like, she came out swinging with her Christian Bible.
Oh,
and her little, her 7 kids, her adopted Black child, the cat they saved. I mean, add it to the list. She's got the fundamental Christian thing down. Yes, she's made that clear. That was her only qualification, is that she's a traditionalist. She's a fundamental Christian. And there was no doubt in my mind that she was going to vote against Roe versus Wade.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. She had only been a judge for 2 years, and she had never actually taken a trial all the way through to a full-on conviction. Everything she was a judge over had a plea agreement.
Right. No, they put her in because she was a white female. So that would sway the white female voters who were on the fence. And they also nailed the fundamental Christians with her. It was an absolute nod of the hat to the base. And she's less qualified than Ketanji Brown was. There's absolutely no argument about that whatsoever. She's actually more qualified than the last 3 that they put on there. That's not even debated. Yeah, there's no, the Republicans aren't even debating her qualifications. What they were trying to debate was her morality and her ethics, but her qualifications are impeccable. You can't even touch Ketanji Brown. Half the people that were questioning her didn't even have her qualifications. Ugh, I thought that was insulting.